So in this video I'm just going to show y'all about the fishes, and these are my friends fishes. Her name is Adi. So let's start at what they eat and the medicine. So this is Optimum.
So this is a good food for them. I don't think anything better to tell in this, and it just looks like this. You can see from down, I guess. Okay, so I think this is for lemon head, and as you can see in the video, I'll show you I have a lot of lemon head. So let's move forward.
And this is the blood worms.
I think this is the best food. I feed my fishes with this only. These are just in case. It makes the fish active and live for longer.
And this is Annie.
This is also a type of Optimum, but given a different name. I do have some sharks, so I feed them this.
With this.
Okay, so next is the medicine.
Okay, so this is Anti-itch.
This is for the fishes that get white spots and different stuff, and for that it is. So let's move forward.
And this is Happy Meal.
So in Happy Meal, there are dried blood worms, as you can see, as I showed you all.
But they are dried, like fully dried.
These are like
These are not dried, these are like
actual.
which are like living inside.
As you can see, they are shaking.
They are like moving. And these are dried, dead and dried. Okay. So, and this is
Also,
this
dried
is,
blood worm.
and this is freeze dried blood worms from Hello Pets. So, can you introduce it?
It's also basically dried blood worm only, and that's it.
Okay, so
So the best food among all of them is Tetra Bites.
okay, so this is Tetra Bites,
In whatever shop you go first, they will tell you the best food is this.
and the most common food of all. And you can get it in the small packaging also, and the rate is
It's 500 rupees. And this big one that I got, as you can see, it is like this, is half over because my fish loved it. It is of 999, 999 means 1000 rupees.
almost 1,000. So you can get it in the small packaging, and actually you should get it in the big packaging because you are getting 25% extra. And this is honey fish food from Hello Pets also. So can you introduce it?
Yeah, so this is dried shrimps, as you can see. It's
And
grounded.
it smells weird, guys, like
Okay,
dead surmai.
yeah. And the last medicine that I'm going to show you is
It
this.
is Stress Heal, and this is the best medicine of all.
And it helps you in bad situations, and like when your fish is just going to die, it just
Heals them.
yeah. So I have done everything, showing you all the foods and medicines. So
Let's move on to the fishes. Okay, so now you have to introduce each and every fish. Okay, so basically this is a fish tank.
It's a 4 feet fish tank, and there are a lot of varieties in it. So let's get to the varieties one by one.
Okay,
So first I'll show you this. This is a golden gourami. I don't have a pair of it. I just have a single golden gourami. And this is a chocolate molly. Even I have this also, only one, not a pair. And this, you can see this small, is called rose line queen. I have a pair of it, but I don't know where it is right now. And
there,
I have
right there.
yeah, this.
It's over here.
And the partner is over here.
Yeah.
So I have goldfish family and lemonhead family and koi family, and I don't have any other fishes. So yeah, I have one kissing fish also. Yeah,
It's right over here.
here. Yeah.
So like it's just kissing each and every fish over
Yeah, I
here.
have
Like,
this also.
See, you can see. Oh my god.
It's an alligator gar. So now I'm going to tell you all the type of goldfish that I have. So these are like normal goldfish right there. So I have 3 of them. This is 1, this is 2, and the third one is over here. Yeah. So now I have lemon head goldfish. So this is lemon head goldfish, as you can see here.
Yeah, right here.
Yeah, it's very cute, and the pair of it is over here. Yeah, right here. And I have Oranda goldfish, and it is right here. It is a baby Oranda, and the pair of it is over here. It is a little bigger than it. Okay, so I have only this much of them in goldfish. And now I'll get to the kois. So I have a lot of kois, as you can see. So I'll go to
Oh
first.
my god,
with
this is the most beautiful fish in the fish tank, guys. This is so beautiful. Okay.
So first I'll start with that one only.
Okay, that's
So-
most beautiful.
It's a colorful koi. It doesn't have a specific name for it. I just know that it's a colorful koi with a red tancho on it. And the partner is right behind over there.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, this one. And I have some colorful spotted koi, this one right here. And the partner of it is right here. Huh. And now I have white koi. As you can see, they are more spotted in my fish tanks.
So like you need to give them the spotted food.
And this is the partner of it. And I have orange goldfish koi. It's actually orange goldfish koi. So see this over here. One you can see, and right is over here. Actually this is a little bigger than that one. I don't know how it grows such a big sized. Yeah. And I have over here small baby kois. Actually this is also a goldfish koi, and that the pair of it is right behind the filter. And I have snails also.
Okay, so one is situated over here as well, guys. I can just zoom it. Sorry for the bad quality of the video. Okay,
And one is right sitting in between the stones.
they are alive, guys. They are alive. Yeah, right.
They are
here.
just resting for a little bit.
and then they are active.
So I have like 23 fishes in this fish tank. I have another fish tank, so I'll make a next video on it with my friend.
Okay, so guys, so this is all for the video, and guys, please do subscribe on my channel, and please do subscribe on Anis Ahmad channel, because like she only helped me to describe the fishes and the food or the medicine.